Vikash011 says, what are the most important skills to master for a successful career in data science? You mentioned the word career, so I'm going to assume that you're talking about something you're going to be doing long term, that you're going to be dedicating your life to. So with that assumption, you're going to get an answer from me that you probably don't expect. And if you really want a long, successful career in data science, the answer to that is communication skills. Because that's really what's important. You have to be able to communicate with the business that you ultimately serve in order to have a long, successful career in data science. That's the answer, right? And I know that you're probably expecting me to mention some libraries or something else, right? But really, the skill you need the most is communication. And I say that because you have to remember that when you're, well, one, most people that are in data science, you're going to end up working for a large corporate enterprise, right? That's a fairly safe assumption. And two, you will be rated or judged by your results and your impact on the business, not the algorithms, not the impact of the algorithms, but the impact it had on the business. That's ultimately what you'll be judged by, and what will determine whether you have a long career or not, right? So it's important to develop communication skills to be able to talk to the business, because when you talk to the business, you're not going to be talking in libraries and math formulas and Python and all this other stuff, right? That's the last thing you want to talk to them about. So developing the communication skills to talk with them and work in that way, that's the best way to go about it, or that's the best skill that you're going to need.